Welcome to Gautam Model School, Vanasthalipuram, LKG children. Okay, how are you all children? Everybody is looking at me. Why? Today I am in colorful dress, in saree. Why? Because today is a Puja day, Varalakshmi Vratam. So, today children, that is the reason I am in colorful dress. Right children? Are you all also wearing colorful dresses today? I guess everyone is wearing and enjoying, and whatever your mother is cooking, sweets and other dishes you are enjoying, I think. Right children? Enjoy. But don't go out and don't play with others children. Okay? It is not a correct time to play out. Okay children? When everything is settled, then you can go out. Okay? Now let us go to our concepts children. Yesterday what we have learnt? Can you tell me? Yes, yesterday what we have learnt children? Yesterday we have learnt A, B, C, D. A, B already over, and yesterday C and D we have completed, right children? What is the sound of C? C says K. C says K, and any word, can you tell me? Okay, C, K, cat. C, K, cake. You'll cut the cake. C, K, cut. And C, K, cup. Okay. And D letter, D says D. D says D. D says D. And any word, D says D. D, da, dog. Okay. D, da, drum. Drum makes sound. What is the sound? How the drum makes sound when we beat it? Dum, 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 dum. Right? So, we have learnt all these. And today, we will go to our other concepts children. See, we have learnt already our concepts in maths children, like big, small, long, short, we have learnt. Yes children. So, today some more concepts we will learn in the maths in this way only. See, this is your LKG textbook children. You can see your LKG textbook. Everyone, all the LKG children are able to see this book. Yes. Come on, open the textbook children. Now, see, this is the page number. I want to tell you the page number 46. The page number is 46 and 47. Children, in 46 what they have given, we will learn. See, a big apartment is there. A big apartment. Big means tall. It is. That means children, many houses are there in this apartment. It is called apartment children. How is this apartment? Short? No, very tall. And here this apartment is having less portions. So it is short. So everyone say children, tall, short. Tall, short. Tall, short. See children, here it is a tall apartment. This is a short apartment. Okay. So we will go to next one children. Mini is tall. Here you can see this Mini, this girl. She is tall, and here this boy is Raju is short. You can compare with your brothers and sisters. Like when they are younger, they will be shorter than you. When they are elder than you, they are taller than you children. Okay. Compare with your brothers and sisters children how you are. Okay. Tall or short. Okay. See, this girl is tall and this Mini is tall and Raju is short. Okay children. Now next one they have given here. They are checking your knowledge children here. Tick the one who is tall. Children here. Here father is tall and here son is short, right? Who is tall? You need to put the tick mark. Two circles are there. In that you need to put a tick mark children who are tall in this. Okay. So you need to put a tick mark here like this. Understood? Now here which is tall children? See, deer or else giraffe? Giraffe is tall. Right. So put a tick mark to the giraffe. and deer. Deer you should not. So here children, joker, here a small boy, short joker is there, and here tall joker, it has having a tall legs. See children, tall legs are there, you can see here, right? So you can put the tick mark here and here you should not, right? So only for taller you need to put the tick mark children. Now here children, you can see page number 47. In page number 47, they are explaining more examples they have given. Here you can see children, here it is, circle the short one. Here you have kept a tick mark children here in this. Now in this 47 you need to circle for short ones children. So tall ones already you have done in this 46 page, and now in 47 page you will be doing short ones. Okay, so circle the short one. So which girl is short in this? This girl or this girl? This girl. So you need to put a circle to this girl in this way. Okay, now here tall tree and a small short plant. Short. So for short one you need to put a circle like this. Okay. Now next one, here a small pot is there, big pot, plants are there children here. Which is the shorter one? You need to put a circle. Now here this camel or else here this monkey. Is it monkey? No, it is a rat, mouse. So this is a shorter one. Okay. You need to put like this tick mark. Tick mark? No, it is a circle. Okay. You are putting a circle. Okay. Now children, color the yellow the shirt of the tall boy and color the red the shirt of short boy. So tall boy you need to yellow color. So every one children here, where is the tall boy? This boy or this boy? First one is tall. So you need to color yellow color. So this is the yellow color. You need to color yellow here. Okay, tall one yellow, and here this boy red color. Short boy you need to color red. Understood? You need to put like this. Very good children. Now I think everyone understood. Everyone will revise children these topics. Okay na? Say everyone, tall. Say everyone, repeat after me. Tall. Come on everyone. Tall. Short. Tall, 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 tall. Short, 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 short. Now here one more concept I want to explain you children. Tall and short we have learnt. Now in this page number 48 children here. This is the page number 48. Heavy and light they are showing children here. See, Bobo is heavy. Hippo. It is, which animal is this children? Heavy animal, and this rabbit is very light. For example, one more example I will tell you children. See, this book is heavy and the sponge is light. Book is heavy, sponge is light. One more example also I will show you children. Here, this box. Which one is heavy? Box or else this feather? Which one? Box is heavy. Feather is light. You can feel like it is, you are holding or not, in that way it is. Right children? It is light. It is heavy. Right children? So heavy. Come on everyone say heavy, light. Heavy, light. This feather, it is very light. So children, here you can do the work children. Here a bucket of water is heavy, a mug of water is light. See, can you hold a bucket of water children? No. Oh, it is heavy. A mug of water, easily you can hold like this. So a bucket of water your mother can carry, but you cannot, right? Because it will be heavy. Mother can carry, but you cannot carry. A bucket, mug of water, you can, right children? Because it will be light, right? So here, which one will be light children? Mug will be light, bucket will be heavy. Now here take the one which is heavy. See, take the one which is heavy. Here a bird is there and here a chair is there. Chair will be very heavy. Bird very light. Right children? Can you hold? Can you lift the chair children? No, it will be very heavy. You cannot. But bird, it will be light. Easily you can hold in your hand. Right children? Yes. Now here a bag, books of bag children here, and here only one crayon is there. Which one will be light children? Crayon easily you can hold in your hand. But bag when you are holding, when you are carrying, mummy, it is very heavy, you will tell, right? So books of bag will be heavy. So take the one which is heavy. So everyone, chair is heavy, right? Put the tick mark. And here crayon or bag? Bag. Put the tick mark. And here children, what is this? This is log and it is a twig. Right children? It is a small stem. Right children? So you can put the tick mark to this log. And here it is, this table is very heavy. This is small table. So easily you can take. So which is heavy? This one or this one? This. So put a tick mark. Over page number 48. Now here the same thing they have given children for you. Page number 31, page number 49. Some work they have given children. This is a small assignment for you children. See, color the one which is heavy. Color the one which is heavy. Color the one. So this pumpkin or this pumpkin? This bigger one is heavy. So you need to color this one. Okay? Color this bigger one. Now here, which is big? This or this? Yes. Here bottle god is a big one. So you need to color this one. Okay? Color. See, here take the light animal to the rat. So, to the nuts. Sorry, it is not a rat, it's to the nuts. So, light animal, monkey or else like the squirrel children? Which one is light animal? You can tell me, please. Okay, squirrel is the light animal. So, everyone take this light animal to the nuts. Where are the nuts? Here. Come on everyone. Yes, 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 yes. You can take like this. Okay, these are the works for LKG children. Okay. Will you do it? Very good children. So, only these 2 pages you can do. Okay. Yes. So, some other concepts will learn day after tomorrow children. Okay children? Okay. Have a nice day children and complete the work and send me the homeworks also. I will be giving you stars. Okay children? Bye bye. Have a nice day.